right, this is the Edison future. Look, this is going to make the shape of an E first. E. And now it's an F. Edison future. You also have it over here. E then F. Out to the side. This is an electric truck, but it's solar power assisted. Coming close. You have this solar panel mosaic, which absorbs energy and charges the battery. Right here, the side view mirror is a camera, and when I press this button, just like that, it comes out. When I open this door, the step comes out, and check out this interior. All right, so you have 3 seats in the front, and you have a 17.5-inch monitor over here, and the cameras on the side mirrors lead to these little screens, so you can check. Even the rear has a camera, which right now is blocked. So over here, this is the steering wheel, EF again, and that right there is actually a display. But let's go over to the back. In the back, press this again, open it up, 3 more seats. And check out the panel on the roof. It's pretty long. I like it. All right. Right here you have a toolbox. You can actually take this out, get your tools. These are 37-inch tires. I mean, these are huge. Goes up to my waist. But the coolest part of this truck is this right here. This actually retracts and covers the entire bed, and there's solar panels. So you can actually open the back up like this, comes down, and what you'd get is this coming all the way down, covering everything. Let's actually show you guys. All right, ready? The press of a button, this comes down, and now you can actually see the solar panels much better. That is crazy. Right, so the range on this thing is about 450 miles, 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds with a truck this big. It'll be released at some point in 2025. What do you guys think?